students, today I am going to teach you harvesting. Harvesting से पहले कल मैंने weed protection how will you protect your crop from weeds, उसमें आपने biological method से भी देखा, pesticide use किया, different types of method use किया. अब आज हम लोग चलेंगे mainly harvesting. When our crop matures, then we are going for harvesting. Harvesting means what? कटाई करना, मोटे मोटी तौर पर हिंदी में कटाई करना. Harvesting means it is a process of cutting and gathering the crop and its stock after maturing, after maturation or maturing. मतलब we are cutting the crop after maturing. So this is called harvesting. It is the process of cutting and gathering of crop and its stock after maturation. So now children, हमने फसल की कटाई कर ली. We have, now you have understood. So my question will be, what is question number 1 homework? What is harvesting? Harvesting आपको आंसर लिखना होगा. दूसरा क्वेश्चन, हाँ, in this process the crops are pulled out or cut close to the ground. हम जनरली ग्रेन को स्टॉक के साथ काटते हैं, because stock we are using the stock for the animal purposes and grain we are stocking it, right? So we used to cut the stock from the just near to the earth by manual or by the machine methods. कोई प्लांट्स है उसके अर्थ के थोड़ा ऊपर, वहां से हम लोग उसका हार्वेस्टिंग करते हैं. हम दोनों चीज कैरी करते हैं, क्रॉप एंड ग्रेन्स एंड स्टॉक. अब ग्रेन से हम स्टॉक से ग्रेन निकालना है अनदर चीज है जिसे हम थ्रेसिंग बोलते हैं, उस पर हम चर्चा करेंगे. नाउ मोड ऑफ हार्वेस्टिंग. जाओ, कोई भी क्रॉप है, अब किस तरह से हम उसका हार्वेस्टिंग करते हैं, दो मोड से. एक तो हम हैंड से काटते हैं जिसे हम बोलते हैं बाय मैनुअल, और दूसरा होगा बाय मशीन. इन मैनुअल केस द मैच्योर क्रॉप्स आर बीइंग हार्वेस्टेड बाय द स्टेकल, बाय द स्टेकल. वी आर हार्वेस्टिंग द क्रॉप मैनुअली बाय यूजिंग द स्टेकल एंड हैंड, बाय यूजिंग आवर हैंड. बट एट द सेम टाइम हसला से हम सारे क्रॉप को काटते हैं. But at the same time, by machine, there is a device named as a harvester. So it is used to cut the crop, matured crop. We are cutting and device which is used to cut and burn the crops. Right? These are known as harvester. Okay? Now, harvester is having cutting blade fitted and it cuts the just above the ground. It helps to cut the mature plants. Now machine. Thus you are going to know what is the harvesting. What is harvesting? How harvesting is done. How harvesting is done. Third number question. अब आपको जानना है, पहला नंबर हो गया, सेकेंड नंबर हो गया, थर्ड नंबर हाउ हार्वेस्टिंग इज डन. हार्वेस्टिंग कैसे होता है, ठीक है? बाय मैनुअल करेंगे और बाय मशीन करेंगे, ठीक है? आप दोनों का एक्सप्लेन करें. हाउ हार्वेस्टिंग इज डन, एक्सप्लेन. नाउ चिल्ड्रन वी विल डिस्कस हार्वेस्टिंग के बाद वाला टॉपिक जो है, लेट मी डिस्कस इट. Threshing. After harvesting, what do you do? We are doing a threshing. Threshing is the process of removing the grain from its stalk. Threshing is a process of removing the grain from its stalk. Right? पौधे से और harvested crop. Threshing is a process of removing the grain from the harvested stock. ठीक है? So अगला मेरा पॉइंट है, what is the threshing? threshing. It is a process of removing the grain from its stalk. Again, threshing is also done by the generally it is done by manual by machine. So manually what we do, we used to strike the stalk and grain with the hard surface. The grain gets separated up, we keep the separate stalk separate. तुम धान के झाड़ते समय देखा होगा, गेहूं का थ्रेसिंग देखा होगा तुम लोग, क्या होता है उसके ग्रेन को पटक देने से उसका ग्रेन निकल जाएगा और उसके स्टॉक को अलग कर देते हैं, ठीक है. इट इज स्ट्राइकिंग ऑन द हार्ड सरफेस. जनरली वी डू इन द मैनुअल केसेस. सो ग्रेन्स आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द क्लिप बाय द पर्क कॉल्ड थ्रेसिंग, ठीक है. इट इज डन बाय द, देखिए मैनुअल में कैसे करते हैं. मैनुअल we strike the stalk on hard surface. The grain is separated from the stalk or by, it is also done by animal. Which moves many times, which encircles many times on the spreader stalk and the spreader. So children, it is also done manually by animal or by machine, that is known as a thresher. That is known as thresher. Machine. So what is a thresher? Explain threshing. Now you need to answer the third question, mind. Explain threshing. Fourth question. What is it? Thresher. Okay, now pay attention here. Thresher is a machine which is used to threshing the stalks. A large form of machine are called combine. Combined machine performs dual job as a harvester and thresher both. So my next question is, what is a combine? Next question is, what is a combine? combine. It is a device, it is a machine it is a, what is a combine? It is a machine, CH. It is a machine which is used, which can do both operation at that time, that is harvesting and threshing together. This is called combine. A device, a machine which is used to do dual job, harvesting and threshing, both. That's why the name of this machine is known as combine. Okay? The grains are separated. Now later on, these grains winnowing is also carried out in combine. So how grains are, now next my part, how grains are separated. Winnowing. The grains are separated from the children. Now pay attention what we are going to discuss it. We are going to discuss it. Winnowing. The grains are separated. From the husk. Or remains of a stalk by using the wind. It is also done by manual or by machine. So, children, we did it winnowing also, right? Harvesting and winnowing. So my next question, 5th number question is, what is winnowing? Explain. So children, these all questions you will answer me for tomorrow's class. Okay? Tomorrow we will proceed next to this. By tomorrow, day after tomorrow, this chapter will be over. Okay? Thank you.